Hi, it's Rich here from North Rose Coffee with, I guess, an overdue update on our progress here at the new location. So this past week, a lot of really big milestones were reached and a lot of stress taken off of me personally. So last Friday, we got the Probat P12 installed, moved from our old location on Progress Avenue and up and operating. In fact, we roasted last Saturday pretty much all day to catch up. Working perfectly, so really happy with that. The second huge improvement is we now have the 30 kilo operating perfectly. So that was such a stressor for me, having the control panel essentially burned out, and we found the source after a roaster tech who is an absolute expert in essentially a really small field, which is coffee roasters. Came down from Sherbrooke and diagnosed the problem immediately, and that was that the roaster was incorrectly hooked up by the electricians, which burned out the control panels. So after waiting to bring in the proper parts, we got those installed and the roaster functional and working perfectly. So we can now create a schedule where we can have both roasters going simultaneously and sort of plan our roasting week instead of reacting to orders, which is what we've been doing, is just playing catch up every morning on the orders that come in. And so another huge improvement is we got our commercial coffee brewer installed. We've been using, when we were at Progress Avenue, front door coffee sales were not our thing. It was more of a opportunity for customers to taste the product, and really not a revenue source for us. Here, however, is a different story. Many customers are coming in the front door for coffee, cappuccino, flat whites and espressos. So having the commercial coffee maker rather than just using a Techniform was a huge upgrade. So really happy. Coffee Doctor helped us out to get that installed really quickly. So thanks, John. And last thing, man, was getting the phone line installed here an unnecessary problem. So Bell, I don't know whether they had scheduling problems or software problems or what, but they failed to show up for 4 separate install appointments, which was really, we've been in business 28 years. Not having a phone on site was an issue. So finally we just reached out to Cogeco. They got in here in 2 days and got the phone line installed. But I don't know what's going on with the folks at Bell, but everyone who's had a phone line installed, they give you a 4-hour or 5-hour window. Imagine them missing 4 separate appointments for that, including, I think it was last Saturday, I was here at 8 in the morning and no one showed up. So anyways, that's rectified. The reaction to the new space has been unanimous. It is, remember a few videos ago, I sort of said, I hope customers will know when they walk in why it took so long, and that's been the case. Everyone is really amazed by how it turned out, how bright, airy, beautiful it is, that it was planned, I personally am really grateful to be in this space. It's unlike any roastery that I'm aware of in Canada, and I think it really sets the standard for the industry, that anyone, if you're in the industry and you come into here, you're going to be like, we need to do this, because it really is a wonderful space. And immediately right out of the gate, we see a significant jump in revenue, mostly front door people coming to see the space, loving the space, and then coming back. So anyways, I think that's all the updates for this week. I'm gonna try and do them more regularly, but man, have I been over busy. You know, Thursday was the first day in a year where I could, you know, not quite a year because we bought the place in the middle of June, where I could sort of relax knowing that we were in good hands. We had 2 roasters operational, and so that stressor was removed. So we'll try and get more videos done. We are going to try and do a live stream on TikTok on Tuesday with both roasters going, and sort of relaunch the live feeds, live roasting. So, and then as well, I believe next Saturday, so a week today, we're going to do our first session, instructional session. So we'll do some coffee cupping on Saturday, and that will be exclusively for folks who are on our email list, and we'll do a few of those, and free. I'm not charging for those ones. And then once we start doing the espresso lessons, that'll take a little bit more planning, but excited to get that started, and customers are super excited to get that started. So thanks for checking in. Thanks for being so patient with this whole process. But if you haven't come in, it's worth a look, because it's, you know, I think I don't really spend any time, you know, congratulating myself or thinking, oh, this is, you know, we've made it, you know, that sort of thing. But I really think this is an exceptional space, so I'm proud of it. It just means I gotta push my attention to work harder on something else. So thanks for checking in.